When you're looking for the best help desk software, you might be torn between Freshdesk and Intercom, two giants in the field. But which one truly stands out? Well, today we're breaking it down to help you decide which is the best for your needs. First off, let's talk about ease of use. Freshdesk is designed to be incredibly user-friendly, making it perfect for businesses that need quick setup and an intuitive interface. It's simple, clean, and doesn't require a lot of time to get the hang of. On the other hand, Intercom offers a more feature-packed experience, but it comes with a steeper learning curve. While it's incredibly powerful, it might take a bit longer to master. So if you're looking for simplicity, Freshdesk might have the edge here, but if you're willing to invest time to learn, Intercom's depth could pay off in the long run. Next, let's dive into features. Freshdesk provides solid support options with ticket management, automation, and reporting, and it integrates easily with many third-party apps. However, Intercom goes a step further with its conversational support tools. Its chatbots, in-app messaging, and live chat options are fantastic for businesses focused on real-time customer interaction. So, if you're looking for robust automation and communication, Intercom might win here, but if you need a more traditional, straightforward support platform, Freshdesk has you covered. Now, pricing can often make or break the decision for many businesses. Freshdesk offers a more affordable entry point, especially with its free plan. This is perfect for smaller teams or businesses just getting started with help desk software. Intercom, on the other hand, tends to be more expensive, especially as you scale. While the features may justify the price for larger companies, smaller businesses might find it hard to justify the cost. So if budget is a key factor, Freshdesk could be the better option. The scalability of the two platforms is another consideration. As your business grows, you'll need a help desk solution that can grow with you. Freshdesk scales well with its customizable plans and adds features as you need them. Intercom is also scalable, but with its premium pricing and more complex features, it might be better suited for larger businesses that need more than just the basics. It's a trade-off of cost versus control and features. Let's talk customer support. Both platforms offer solid customer support, but Freshdesk stands out with its built-in knowledge base and community forums, making it easier for teams to get answers. Intercom also has great support, but its focus is more on direct communication, like messaging and live chat, which could be a plus or a minus depending on your business needs. So which one should you choose? Well, after using both myself, I've found that while both Freshdesk and Intercom are solid choices, if you're looking for a more seamless, feature-rich solution that doesn't break the bank, there's a better alternative I've found that truly stands out. The platforms mentioned here are good, but if you want a better option for your help desk needs, I highly recommend trying the first link in the description for a free trial. Through our link, you'll get exclusive benefits that aren't available anywhere else. Take advantage of the special offer and find the right help desk software for you.